Here's ADT's glass break sensor. So these little guys will get installed near windows. And if anyone tries to break through a window or shatters a glass, this is going to detect that high frequency sound of glass breaking, and it's going to sound the alarm. And so you don't need to have very many of these set up. I would recommend maybe 1 or 2 max per floor. And again, just make sure it's set up somewhere within range of a window. But also note that if you have little kids around, or high squealing and screaming, or even if like glass breaks, say you're washing dishes and you accidentally break a glass, this could sound the alarm. So just be ready for false alarms in that regard, but otherwise these are really helpful.